You can tie her, but not her wings. Her feathers are stronger than the fragile strings. She absorbed storms, stronger than chains, and died mentally, but rose again. You have known her, seen her smile, but not the person behind the smile. Your cage is of no use because the bird fought and fights every day and became stronger every day. She faced and is facing people like you. Hence, she knows your strength and knows she is stronger than your cage, your mentality. So keep tying her body. Try catching her. She will flap her wings ferociously. With her talons, she will tear all the bondage and fly higher and higher. Don't you dare to stop her. Her talons are strong enough to rip apart your heart.